Guys, we're here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. We're doing a video inspection of the dry vent system. We want to make sure that the vent system is all connected correctly. We're also looking at the extent of lint buildup inside the vent. We see that it's pretty extensive here. Hasn't been cleaned in a while. We also want to check for any possible hazards. Alright guys, we're taking did the video inspection. Now we're taking the airflow measurement test with our manometer. Right now we're getting a reading of 876. Sometimes we get a reading of 655. Right now we're getting close to 900. So these numbers are very low as far as airflow from your dryer venting out to the exterior here. What are some reasons why this number is low, the airflow is low? There's some type of restriction. It could be restriction because of the amount of buildup of lint inside the dryer, or it could be buildup of lint inside the vent itself. Another reason, which is a very important reason, is that there may be the holes that connect from the dryer to your vent line could be crushed. And when that happens, there's very limited airflow that can get through the crushed line, and a lot of lint can tend to build up there. And if lint builds up, it backs up the dryer. There's a lot of backflow of air pressure going back into the dryer instead of venting out. It leaves your clothes moist and damp. Your dryer has to work hard to try to pump out all that excess of air and moisture. And then lastly, so we definitely need to clean that up. So we'll go investigate inside to see what's causing this lack of airflow and what's causing the dryer to work so hard in order to dry the clothes. We'll see you inside. Hey guys, now we're back on the inside. And remember, the question that we wanted to answer is why the airflow was low coming out of the exterior wall vent. It was right around 600 to 700 airflow measurement. So when we come inside, notice what we see. We look here, this dryer connection hose is crushed. You have two major crushes here and here. If we look on the inside, I'm sure we will see a lot of lint build up, as you can see inside there. And this causes airflow restrictions. It causes the dryer to work harder. It causes back pressure where you're getting moist air to go back up into the dryer. So that's what's causing the clothes not to dry efficiently. And that's what's causing the dryer to work harder. Look at the lint buildup here in the laundry room. So anytime you see this, this is a telltale sign that you need to get your vents clean. Not only your vents, you need to check the hose connection here to make sure it's a full 4-inch diameter. There's no crush, there's no dents or anything like that. There's no holes or gaps inside. And then we need to clean your dryer. So that's what we're going to do here, and we're going to test to make sure that this was indeed the problem. We're gonna clean all this up, clean out the dryer, and we'll see the difference in a minute. Alright guys, I just pulled out the lint trap on the back of this dryer. If you could take a look before we look inside. If you could get a video of this, kind of what we see behind here. So a lot of lint buildup that can clog the lint trap, clog the whole air filtration of the dryer. And then let's grab a look inside here. You can see pet hair, different things in here. And then at the very top, this is like almost 2 to 3 pounds of lint. So we're gonna clean all this out and get this all situated and cleaned well. This is how a lint trap should look, free from lint, unclogged, ready for many loads of clothes drying. So we're gonna assemble this back and get this dryer back, put back together.